So guys, today I show you how to make more money from online CPA marketing. So guys, first you need to open your Chrome browser. You need to search CPA grip. Okay, CPA grip. There have also CPA grip. After you need to open this link cpagrip.com, then come in joining. So you don't have any account, first need to open your account. Okay, logging your account. So you need to login your account. First they have everything: first name, last name, company name, and website, everything your details put. Then you have already account, so you can click there. Already I have account, so I have already account, so I'm click there. So I log in there. Okay, so guys, easy way you can earn money every day, $10 to $12. Okay, so guys, already open our CPA grip marketing. So there have also live chat also have there. Okay, so every person there you can also live chat there, but need to maximum amount your account $25. After you can live chat there. Okay, so I don't have any account any earning, because I opened this website is new. I never earning this account. I never earning this website, so you can earn also. So guys, go down also, go down and check there so many offer you have also. So this offer you have to complete this offer and submit. Okay, so click any offer. So how do you can earn money from there? So first there have this offer. You have this offer you complete after you find 2.73 means $2.73. So first how to you can earn there. So first you copy this link. Need to copy this link and go the simple your Facebook or your Gmail. After you log in your Facebook, and after you can paste this link. Okay, and then apply this link. After so many people this link click, and so many people this register this software. After you find more money. Okay, after you can find more money, two people register and click this link, you can find $2.73. Okay, there have more offer. See, there have 24 copy this link, this link and share of another country. Any people click Bangladesh, this link not coming the earning. Need to apply for another country. Okay, need to apply for like Saudi Arabia, like India, like Pakistan, like another of country. Okay, you can copy this link. Also you can share also your email. By email you can share. So see this link, copy and post to your Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, anywhere you can send. After you can earn more money from very easy way. Okay, there have also another option also have more offer every day, so you can complete this offer. Also you can check your offer. Also you can check your more offer. Okay, there have offer tools. Also you can check your more offers. Click my offers. Okay, then you need to which country offer you need. They have also Bangladesh. I select Bangladesh country. They have also one offer also tick, because Bangladesh is very low low the money rate. This very low give price. Okay, you need to choose another country. Which country is best earning for, which country is best to give the revenue. You can choose this country. Also you can choose for they have more country. Okay, so you can choose any country, like I choose like France. Okay. So see, France is more than revenue that they have. So you can click this icon, this link. After you can copy this link and share. So this one only, yeah, don't only France people. Okay, this one only France people. Only France people. This one link copy and apply here. You can find the $23. So what you do? You have more friend Facebook on France, or you have more Facebook or Twitter friend or email friend. You can share this link share, and tell him please submit this link. You will submit. After you can find a $23. So you need to first make friend, or make your friend circle is more country. You can earning more dollar. Okay, from SeatGrip marketing. Okay, this is very easy way. Every day you can have more money from very easy way. You just stay 2-3 hour or 4 hour there on your laptop, and you can earn more money from CPA Grip. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you can more money from online CPA marketing. So guys, subscribe our channel and like, share. Also guys, please, also I request, so please you need to stay there. Okay, there have more option, there have also more country and more option. You can earning money. Don't do lazy. Okay, you every day, I believe you, I tell you, every day you can maximum you can earn $10 to $15. There see more offer. There give more offer. You can check also your offer tool. Okay, so how to you withdraw money? Okay, you click your payment option. So there have your payment option. Okay, so check you maximum your $15. You can also transfer your bank. Okay, maximum $15. Okay, so you have $15 your account. You can transfer from bank or transfer from your PayPal account. You easily transfer. Okay, so I don't have any balance still, because I'm not working. This website is new for me. So please guys, you check and earn more money from CPA marketing. It's very good website from earn money. So you have any question or anything, just inbox me. I will help you, inshallah, and I will reply you, and inshallah I will very soon I will come to you another online earning video. Okay, so thank you for watching.